Hey tumbleweeds, I'm back, and while I was gone I did a few things that are total game changers for my nomadic and artistic life. The first game changer is that I have taken an annual site at an RV park in Quartzsite, Arizona. And as you can see, I have a lot more stuff. I have a pen for Chia so she can hang outside with me without getting her cable or tether all tangled up with everything. I have a little workout area here, although to be honest, those weights really are just holding down the rug. But I have good intentions. And as you can see, I have a little art studio set up here. And I'm getting ready to do a pastel painting. It's one of the Rio Grande River south of Taos where I camped one time. And I actually painted this a couple of weeks ago. And the painting was ruined. So I have a lot of art supplies now, a lot more than I had before. And the reason for that is the other game changer, which is, let me introduce you to Victoria. Victoria is my new 5-foot by 8-foot cargo trailer. 5-foot by 8-foot is a lot of space to store art supplies and paintings. I can paint big paintings now, and I have a place to store them. And I have room for my equipment, including this awning and all these tables, so that I can do art fairs and makers markets. That is something I have really been missing for the last few years. So this is definitely a game changer for me. So my plan is to travel around, do art fairs, visit beautiful places like I have been, but now I will be painting those places, hopefully while I'm there on site, and do plein air painting, which is just painting outdoors and what you see rather than from a photograph. I will be taking photographs too and painting from those as well. But I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I have ordered a lot of new equipment for this purpose. It hasn't arrived yet, but when it does, I'll tell you all about it. Another game changer is I am going to start a Patreon page just for my art. This YouTube channel is for my nomadic travel life. It's for my travels. I do show myself painting every now and then, but I really would like to share how I come up with my paintings. I have my own little style, and maybe some people might be interested in knowing how I do things. So I'm starting this Patreon page, and I'll be posting videos. I have several older videos from, 2 or 3 years ago, and I will be posting those on the Patreon page, but I will also be painting new paintings and doing demonstrations and sharing my techniques and little tutorials, I guess you could call it. And hopefully, if anybody likes my artwork, I love my artwork, but I guess not everybody does. But if you do like my artwork and you would like to support me, you might consider joining my Patreon page. Well, whenever I get it set up, I'll let you know when that happens. But I think I'm going to be more consistent on making videos from now on. And now that I have all this freedom to carry all this extra stuff with me that I need to be artistic. Yeah, it's going to be a good year, I think. I do have plans coming up as to where I will be traveling, and I will share that with you in another video. But for now, I just wanted to let you know that these two major changes that I've made here have been very helpful. By renting the RV site for a year, I was able to become an Arizona resident, which means I do not have to go back to Florida for doctors and to vote and all that kind of stuff. I can do it here in the Southwest, where I absolutely love being. And yeah, it's been very nice being. I was an Arizona resident a while back. I lived in Phoenix area for about 3 years, and then moved to New Mexico, and that's where my art got started again. So the Southwest is just good for my art mind, so that's why I love it here so much. I will be taking a little trip, a little boondocking trip to a beautiful place that's not far from here, and I will be doing some painting there, so I'll share that with you in a week or so. So yeah, I just wanted to catch you up on my my situation, and just let you know how excited I am that I was able to get this cargo trailer. Oh, and you probably noticed that the cargo boxes were missing on the back of my van. Yeah, I sold those since I have the cargo trailer. I no longer needed those, and that makes Daisy a lot lighter, which is a good thing. So, oh, also, I almost forgot to mention that I am redoing my website. It's the same website, likeatumbleweed.com, but I opened a store there. So I actually have a store that's built into my website, and I have original paintings and art prints and merchandise, including this hat with a Like a Tumbleweed logo. I also have a hoodie that I was wearing earlier this morning when it was cold out. And those are for sale on my website as well. You'll see the menu options for original paintings, art prints, and merch. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy about this game changer. Catch you soon. Bye.
Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where